Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can enable the Aura sync control for your Corsair. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to actually get the IQ software, and if you scroll down through their official page you can just head over to the Corsair IQ software, scroll down, and then you simply want to search for Aura. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because there's a plugin that's called the Asus Aura Sync, responsible for the Asus application. So let's click on the download button and you could just install this onto the Asus Armory Crate. So once again, you can also get this from the official web page. Just search Armory Crate download on your search bars, scroll down, and you can get the download option right here. Right after installing everything, we then have to simply head over to the Armory Crate. So basically, just make sure that the Armory Crate is updated to the latest version. Click on the check for updates and then update the drivers and the main application. From there, under the Aura Sync, which is going to be this one, we want to click on the Aura effects, and we want to make sure that the Aura sync is at the top of the game in the lighting order. So it's going to be right here. Click on the in-game lighting effects, click on game list, and you just want to make sure that it is on the highest list right here. So our computer will actually prioritize Armory Crate Aura sync. From there, we can then head over to the IQ's Asus plugin by heading over. And simply right after from there, let's head over to the IQ application, click on the gear icon, and then you want to click on plugins. Just make sure that the Asus plugin is installed. So you want to click on this option right here, and it will actually install the Asus plugin that's required for the Armory Crate. From there, head over to the SDK, click on the IQ SDK, and just make sure that the lighting access is approved to make sure that everything is working. It's going to be the lighting service.exe, and basically from there we're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.